morning, students. In your previous class, that is class 7th, you had studied about fibers, isn't it? That is fiber to fabrics, about wool, silk, how to make wool, how to make silk, the processing. So all these things you have seen. So the wool and silk, if you see, they are the natural fibers. So what did you get? You got first thread, isn't it? Thread you get after processing. Then from the thread, the fabrics are made. Fabrics nothing but the piece of cloth. So from these cloth, okay, from these fabrics, the proper clothes are made. So this is the way the clothes are prepared. So fabrics are made from fibers obtained from natural or artificial sources. So as you know, there are two types of fibers, that is natural fibers as well as artificial fibers. So if you have to get fabrics, either it may be from natural, the fibers from natural, or maybe the fibers from artificial sources. So artificials are nothing but the rayon, nylon, acrylic, all this, polyester, polythene, all these. Whereas natural, cotton, wool, silk and jute. So all these are natural fibers. Cotton, wool, whereas cotton and jute, they are the plant sources, and wool, silk, they are the animal sources which are natural. So in this lesson we will study about the synthetic fibers and plastic. Synthetic fibers are nothing but artificial fibers. You have learnt in the previous classes, that is the natural fibers. So in your 8th class we will be dealing with the synthetic fibers as well as about the plastics. Now if you consider the images, okay, observe the images: chair, carpet, books not, but the above the plastic sheet, the plastic cover is there, no, above the books. So those things. So from which all these things are prepared? Maybe the carpet or maybe the plastic chair, through different things, isn't it? For example, if you carpet, if you think, maybe it is made up of natural fibers. So the natural fibers like cotton, wool, silk, these are obtained from plants or animals, whereas synthetic fibers, they are man-made fibers which are made by human beings. Okay, remember, the synthetic fibers are man-made fibers made by human beings. Now what are fibers made of? What are fibers are made up? So if you think, see here, you can see two types, isn't it? Monomer as well as polymer. So actually the fibers are made of monomer. If you see, mono is nothing but single, okay? Monomer is a single unit. Monomer is a single unit. So if you join this single unit, what do you get? You get a long chain called as polymer. Remember, monomer is a single unit. Fibers are made of monomer, it is a single unit. When you join this single unit, you get a long chain called as polymer. So basically what happens? Basically monomers are chemicals. Okay, remember, monomers are chemicals. So if you think this chemical as single unit, and if you keep on repeating these chemicals, you get a polymer. For example, if you consider monomer, okay, monomer can be a glucose or maybe a nylon. Now each single unit of glucose, if you add, you get cellulose. Okay, so the important things to know, that is, remember, there are natural polymers. Okay, polymers are not always synthetic, but even there are natural polymers. If you see cotton, now cotton, for example, it is a polymer called cellulose. Cellulose is made up of large number of glucose units. So as I said, glucose, if you consider a single unit, now when you add this single unit, glucose, what happens? It becomes a long chain. So that is, long chain is nothing but it is a polymer. So in the cellulose, monomeric unit is called as glucose. If I ask you question, what is the monomeric unit in the cellulose? That is nothing but glucose. Then if you see, consider necklace, maybe simple necklace with the beads. Okay, so if you take one bead in that, so that is a monomer. So as I said, the given example, you think this is like a necklace bead, okay, the pearl necklace. So if you consider one bead, that is a monomer, but whole chain, that is polymer. So the artificial polymer, the synthetic polymers are derived from petroleum oil. You can see here it is derived from petroleum oil. Now you may be thinking petroleum is natural, isn't it? Yes or no? Petroleum is natural. But what happens? For example, I am natural. Okay. If I make something, that will become artificial. Okay, I am natural, but if I do something, if I prepare something, that becomes artificial. Because why? Because I made it. I am natural, but what I prepare, it is a artificial. So likewise here, petroleum is the natural, but the product which we get from petrol, that is synthetic. So always remember, synthetic polymers are derived from petroleum oil. What are the examples? That is nylon, polyethylene, polyester, Teflon and epoxy. So all these are artificial polymers. If you consider cotton, it is a natural polymer. So remember, cotton is a polymer called as cellulose, and cellulose is made up of large number of glucose units. What is the monomeric unit of cellulose if I ask? That is glucose units. So today we have learnt about the synthetic fibers, that is especially the monomer and polymer, natural polymer and artificial polymer.